Symbol, ABT. Abbott Laboratories engages in the discovery, development, manufacture, and sale of a broad and diversified line of healthcare products. It operates through the following segments: established pharmaceutical products, nutritional products, diagnostic products, and medical devices. The established pharmaceutical products segment refers to the international sales of a line of branded generic pharmaceutical products. The nutritional products segment caters to the worldwide sales of adult and pediatric nutritional products. The diagnostic products segment markets diagnostic systems and tests for blood banks, hospitals, commercial laboratories, and alternate care testing sites. The medical devices segment includes electrophysiology, heart failure, vascular and structural heart devices for the treatment of cardiovascular diseases, and diabetes care products for people with diabetes, as well as neuromodulation devices for the management of chronic pain and movement disorders. The company was founded by Wallace Calvin Abbott in 1900 and is headquartered in Abbott Park, Illinois. Symbol, HRL. Hormel Foods Corporation is a global food company. Its segments include grocery products, refrigerated foods, Jennie-O Turkey Store, and international and other. The grocery products segment consists primarily of the processing, marketing, and sale of shelf-stable food products sold predominantly in the retail market, along with the sale of nutritional and private label shelf-stable products to retail, food service, and industrial customers. The refrigerated foods segment consists primarily of the processing, marketing, and sale of branded and unbranded pork, beef, and poultry products for retail, food service, deli, convenience store, and commercial customers. The Jennie-O Turkey Store segment consists primarily of the processing, marketing, and sale of branded and unbranded turkey products for retail, food service, and commercial customers. The international and other segment includes Hormel Foods International, which manufactures, markets, and sells company's products internationally. Symbol, PG. The Procter & Gamble Company is focused on providing branded consumer packaged goods to the consumers across the world. The company operates through 5 segments: beauty, grooming, healthcare, fabric and home care, and baby, feminine and family care. The company sells its products through approximately 180 countries and territories, primarily through mass merchandisers, grocery stores, membership club stores, drug stores, department stores, distributors, wholesalers, baby stores, specialty beauty stores, e-commerce, high-frequency stores, pharmacies, electronics stores, and professional channels. It offers products under the brands, such as Head & Shoulders, Herbal Essences, Pantene, Rejoice, Olay, Old Spice, Safeguard, Secret, SK2, Braun, Gillette, Venus, Crest, Oral-B, Metamucil, Neurobion, Pepto-Bismol, Vicks, Ariel, Downy, Gain, Tide, Cascade, Dawn, Fairy, Febreze, Mr. Clean, Swiffer, Loves, Pampers, Always, Always Discreet, Tampax, Bounty, Charmin and Puffs. The company was founded by William Procter and James Gamble in 1837 and is headquartered in Cincinnati, OH. Weekly Summary. This week CPI seems cool. Hence, the market is strong. The takeaways. The CPI rose 6.5% annually through December 2022, in line with expectations. The FOMC are closely watching prices for services like hotels and healthcare. Inflation slowed last month mostly due to cheaper fuel and airfares. Moreover, food price growth slows, except eggs. Markets gained after the latest inflation data. My personal reports ready last week and I found ABBV and ABT had an ex-dividend date on January 12, 2023. HRL's ex-dividend date is expected on January 13, 2023. PG's ex-dividend date of January 19, 2023 was caught by my report. Nearest option expiration date: January 13, 2023. Game plans for these candidates. Symbol, ABBV. ABBV would issue a quarterly dividend of $1.48 with a yield of 3.83%. ABBV's price on January 11 wasn't favorable for selling this Friday's $155 call. Based on Y. Finance. https://finance.yahoo.com/quote/abbv/history $p=$ABBV. It closed at $157 plus before the ex-dividend date. Hence, selling the $155 call is useless. It's also in a near-term downtrend. The risks outweigh the reward. Symbol, ABT. ABT would issue a quarterly dividend of 51 cents with a yield of 1.8%. It closed at $113.1 plus before the ex-dividend date. It's in a near-term uptrend. The reward outweighs the risks. The plans. Selling a $113 call is safe to pocket the dividend with protection. I received a $1.05 premium. However, selling the $112 IDM call is tricky for long calls. I received a $1.50 premium. The longs decided not to take the risk. I ended with keep the dividend too. Subsequently, on January 13th, I let the $112 call assigned and rolled the $113 call to January 20th for $1.52. Cash is needed for next week PG's ex-dividend play. Current positions. Related transactions. Conclusion. The experience was nice. This week's ROI 0.5 for ABT, symbol, HRL. HRL has 57 years of consecutive dividend increases. It would issue a quarterly dividend of $0.275 with a yield of 2.36%. It has been bouncing around $46. The trend is flat. The plan. I bought thousands of HRL around $46 and sold Jan 13's $46 calls. Below is the outcome on the ex-dividend date, which is the same as the weekly option expiration date. Most of my Jan-13's $46 calls are assigned. I only made about 0.5% in 2 days. Only a few $46 calls survived and pocket the $0.275 per share dividend. All my next week, Jan-20's $46 calls survived. They collected a premium of 62 cents as well as received the 0.275 per share dividend. On the weekly option expiration date, January 13th, HRL fell under $46 again. I sold tons of $46 puts for 0.10.2 premium. Unfortunately, they became zero when it closed above $46.10. The return of my cash is 0.2%, 0.4% in a day. While it was under $46 on the OE date, I bought a few hundreds of HRL and sold January 20th $46 calls. Meanwhile, I rolled existing $46 calls to January 20th $46 as well. Current positions. Related transactions. Conclusion. Even though I missed the dividend for most of my HRL, I still collected nice premiums in round trips. Perhaps when the stock is too deep in the money, IDM, before the ex-dividend date, I should sell the following week's ATM calls instead. This way, I not only can collect a higher premium, but also the dividend. Whoever dares to call my position away early, my cash will be freed up for more than 1% gain in less than a week. Symbol PG. PG is a Dow Jones Index's component. PG has 67 years of consecutive dividend increases. It would issue a quarterly dividend of $0.9133 on January 19th with a yield of 2.4%. Its earning date is also on January 19th. The plan. I was able to acquire a few hundred PG under $150 and sold $150 calls. All my PG-$150 cash secured puts expired worthlessly. Current positions. Related transactions. Conclusion. I only bought 300 PG this week below $150 a share. All PGs minus 150 cash secured puts expired worthlessly. The return ranged from 0.3% to 0.5% in 2 days. Looking forward. I must buy more shares before the ex-div when it dips toward 150. CLX will go ex-dividend in the following week. The consumer staple stocks all have beta value under 0.5. So will low go ex-dividend. However, low is riskier due to a higher beta over 1.1.